In today's video, we will design a handmade amplifier for most of our home appliance system. You can use it to power on. Now we used 4 transistors. We connect them to our heatsink. We mount them on a heatsink. Transistors, they are hot, so we need a cooler to cool them down. Now we connect all our collectors together. Actually, you can use a single transistor, but here we use 4 transistors in order to boost up the amplifier, the power of the amplifier. Now we connect all the transistors to all the collectors together, and now we equally connect all the emitters together. That is, all these transistors, you can use a single transistor. What we are doing here, we are simply connecting them in parallel connection. Now we equally connect our emitters together. Now regarding the base, we will dimension the base with a 100 ohm resistor. Yes, it's a protective resistor, and we equally connect all the bases together. Now we use a 2N222 transistor as a driver for the transistors. That is it. We use it as a driver for the transistors. Now we connect the emitter to the base. As you see, we connected the emitter of the transistor to the base of the other 4 transistors, and now we use a 1 mega ohm resistor between the collector and the base of the 2N2222. And now we connect our capacitor. We connect our capacitor. Our capacitor is a 47 microfarad 25 watt capacitor. We connect the positive terminal of our capacitor to the base of our 2N222, and the negative terminal we will connect it to a 100 ohm resistor and connect it to our variable resistor. Variable resistor, or what we call the potentiometer. Now is our input. That is the input signal from our phone or other devices. We connect it to the other 2 terminals, that is the positive and the negative terminals. And now we link the negative terminal to our emitter of the transistors. Now the speaker will link the one cable of the speaker to our collector of 2N222 and the other cable to the collector of the other 4 transistors. Now is the power supply. Power supply, we connect the negative to our emitter, since emitter is always ground, and we connect the positive to our collector. Now it's okay. We have to test the circuit now. We connect our 12 volt battery and the mobile phone for testing.
The world's in sight, building tomorrow in every bite. Lectino Eglet, we're lighting the spark.
You can hear the sound.
Bringing dreams to life, leaving a mark. With every circuit, every wire, every line.
See the bars as well.
We're shaping the future, one design.
So thank you all for watching. See you guys in our next video. Like, share, comment, follow us for more videos.